Hi lovely guys, today I'll show you an easy way to fix the Antimalware Service Executable high CPU and memory usage issue on Windows 10 or 11. This video is going to be very informative, so make sure to watch it until the end. If you find it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. Without wasting time, go to the bottom left search bar, click it, and type Task Scheduler. Task Scheduler is a tool that lets your computer automatically run tasks at specific times or events. It helps schedule things like updates, backups, or app launches without doing them manually. Once you're in Task Scheduler, on the left side, you'll see Task Scheduler Library. Expand it. Then, expand the Microsoft folder. After that, double-click on the Windows folder. You'll see a lot of folders appear. Scroll down and find Windows Defender and click it. Now collapse the current section and expand the new one. You will now see an item called Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. This allows your PC to automatically scan for threats at scheduled times, keeping your system safe without needing manual scans. Click on Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. A new section will open. Scroll down and uncheck Run with highest privileges. Now go to the Conditions tab above. Uncheck all the toggles listed there. Then click OK. Now we'll add an exclusion to help reduce CPU usage. At the bottom, search Windows Security and open it. On the left sidebar, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll down again to find Exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. At the top, click the Add an Exclusion button. Then choose File. On the left side, go to Local Disk C and enter. Now find and open Program Files. Then open the Windows Defender folder. Scroll down and look for the file MSMPung. MSMPung is the Microsoft Malware Protection Engine file. It runs real-time protection and scanning for malware. Click on MSMPung and press Open. Now, restart your computer, and that's it. The high CPU and memory usage issue should be resolved, and your PC should run faster. If you face any issues, feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.